Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into your MetaMask wallet. For that, make sure you get the MetaMask wallet. And now here you need to simply tap on Get Started. Now here you can see two options: import using secret recovery phrase and create a new wallet. If you haven't created your wallet, you need to tap on the second option. But for this video, we'll go for the first one as we already have our secret recovery phrase. Remember that you need to have secret recovery phrase in order to get logged into your MetaMask wallet. Now this kind of interface will appear. You need to simply check on this box and tap on I agree. Again, this kind of box will pop up. You need to simply read it and check on this box and tap on accept. Now here you need to enter the secret recovery phrase that you got while making your MetaMask wallet. After you are done entering your secret recovery phrase, you need to create yourself a new password. After you are done, you can simply tap on import. And again, you will be led to this kind of interface. Now here you need to enter the password that you created just now. And now you can see that you are logged into your MetaMask wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.